driver's side door card. So this is actually the worst one where the elbow sits. And it's got a big crease in it across here. I'm actually going to try exploring with a bit of water, because this is solid, it's not just going to sit back. My aim is going to be to have it, you know, straight, flat, towards the elbow on. So the likelihood this has just gone over time. Just continued use. And get a bit of moisture in it. Clip back. And of course we all know this might not actually work. I'll turn it over and all the vinyl's falling off the other side. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I can feel it's getting better already. Good thing is I'm not actually losing any material. Once I get this dried up again, it should be hopefully pretty seamless on the other side. Right, we're looking again at the driver's side door card. This is the worst door card of the lot. We've got a lot of breakage in the cardboard. Got some real soft spots here. I'm going to try and strengthen this put this portion up here, and I might try and put some weight in here, depending on how much of epoxy I've got left. I'm going to mix 100ml. With a hardener. I'm only going to go 2% hardener. You can go between 1 and 3. 2% should give me enough time for it to go off. I've pre-cut myself some bits of Fiberglass matting. I've got some thinner strips as well to use here. And we'll see how this goes. So back on the driver's door card. It's looking a little bit busy. I put a bit of weight on here while it cured. So I'll take it off and actually have a look. It has gone That's gone hard. We'll probably be talking an hour as well. Hope this doesn't pop, pretty sure it won't. This is literally just a bag of flour to allow some even weight distribution. That bit on there is definitely not gone off. So my aim was to put some strength back in here. There's another small split over here, which I've done. This portion here had a crease on the outside, so I tried to pull that out, stretch the door card, pull the crease out the back. So hopefully on the other side I'll be able to see the less of an impression basically. By pulling this up here, I'll just stretch the material on the outside. And here, trying to push the really badly damaged elbow rest out. This was the bit that was the worst, so I've avoided putting any epoxy on here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get that wet, probably lay it on its side, and then we'll have weight on there while that goes off, and that should push the elbow pad back up and tighten up all the material there. Progress. I'm going to mix up another 100ml. And then we're going to work on the actual elbow rest and try and put some strength back in. I'll actually try and push this back down because it's still actually quite proud. The other side looks better, it doesn't look perfect, definitely looks better. I'm pretty happy with it to be fair, considering this is the worst door card. I'm trying to get this wetted up so the door card actually is malleable. Like we did yesterday, if you remember how bad this was, and this mainly is fixed just by getting it wet and putting it back. Driver's side door card again. Let's just have a look at the progress that we're up to. So I've got 2 layers of glass matting on here with the epoxy over it. I forgot what it's called there. With the leftover epoxy, I've just put an extra 2 pieces up here as well, strengthen that. So I'll probably go over it all again, but I'm just running out of time today. Got a small repair here. Again, that was a leftover from the first batch of epoxy. I haven't turned it over yet, so let's have a look. See how good, see how bad it is. And you know what? That's pushed out really well and it's actually gone really solid. The only downside we have now is the actual vinyl is sitting up. So I might run a heat gun over that, see if we can get that to sit back down again. stretch it back into place. There's clearly no glue underneath there, what there is here. And I'll give the material a clean. We haven't got a bad fix there. A bit of a lump there in line with that old crack. Well, yeah, it's not too bad. Could in theory peel the material back and insert a new bit of foam in here to bring it up proud. Maybe I can try that on another door card. I'm not going to be doing this. I'm going to work on giving this door card a clean next and see where I can get to with that. So I've just done a third coat of fiberglass matting on the driver's door. This is the one that was really bad. This was the worst here. It was really caved out where the elbow had been pushed through. I've also put some strengthening around where the door card sits. I'm going to address this before I put it all back together. But the rest of the material looks pretty good. Just needs re-sticking down. Just ignore the Christmas socks. You probably noticed they're in every video, but well, you will now.
Keep that in mind, our design is trying to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day, the clock ticks like a wave. So unreal, didn't look down below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch it you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be enough for your time. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. My body works the rhythm, you beat my drum hard. My body works the rhythm, you beat my drum hard. My body works the rhythm, you beat my drum hard.
That was a fairly simple wash I've just done there. I've literally just used some cleaner. Tried to get all the grain. Obviously, you have to wipe in every single different direction. That's why it took so long. Hopefully it didn't seem so long because I was fast forwarding, time lapsing, whatever you want to call it, whatever the fancy word is for it. I'd already cleaned this area yesterday, just with a bit of interior shampoo, citrus wash, nothing fancy, and that came up really well and dried really nicely. This has had the repair on it, so it's not sagging anymore. It looks a million times better. I've redone the gluing around the edges. See where the door card was, that was disgusting inside there. I've actually cleaned the door card as well off camera, so that does actually really nice too. I don't know if I'll put to the right one. So yeah, that looks really nice as well. I've got lots of handles, that's why I say that. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Pretty good. Quite happy. So the handles I did earlier on, I'm questioning the colour. I've contacted the company that supplied the paint, because I think it's just a shade too light from what it was supposed to be, what it said on the tin. And they're just sending me out another tin of that. So hopefully when I get back in the car that'll be a little bit darker and more of a matching colour. So that was very nice. It's different. That's the colour it was inside. So yeah, looking good. That's a good progress.